Axillary artery is the main arterial system of the upper limb. It begins as continuation of third part of subclavian artery at the outer border of first rib. It ends by becoming brachial artery at the lower border of teres major muscle. Axillary artery and cords of brachial plexus are enclosed within axillary sheath, which is projected down from prevertebral fascia in the neck. Parts of axillary artery. Axillary artery is divided into three parts by pectoralis minor muscle, which crosses in front of it. The first part is above, the second part behind, and the third part is below the pectoralis minor muscle. Surface marking. Axillary artery is indicated by a line from the middle of the clavicle to a groove behind coracobrachialis. Relations. The lateral and posterior cord are superior lateral and the medial cord posterior to the first part of the axillary artery. Loop connecting lateral and medial pectoral nerves lies anteriorly. The second part has the three cords of plexus, lateral, posterior and medial to it, as the name suggests. The third part has branches from the cords of brachial plexus, having in general the same relation to the artery as the parent cord. The medial root of median nerve crosses in front of the artery to join the lateral root and forms the median nerve lateral to the axillary artery. The axillary vein lies anteromedial to all the three parts of the axillary artery. Branches of axillary artery. Altogether, there are 6 branches of axillary artery, 1 from the first part, 2 from the second part, and 3 branches from the third part. From the first part arises the superior thoracic artery. Small vessels run forward to supply both pectoral muscles. From the second part of axillary artery, there are 2 branches. The first is the thoracoacromial artery or the acromiothoracic artery. It emerges at the upper border of pectoralis minor muscle and breaks into 4 branches: pectoral, deltoid, acromion and clavicular. These branches radiate away at right angle to each other in direction indicated by their name. Lateral thoracic artery follows the lower border of pectoralis minor muscle, supplying branches to pectoralis and serratus anterior muscle. And in female, it is an important contribution to blood supply of the breast. From the third part of axillary artery arises the subscapular and the 2 circumflex humeral arteries, the anterior and the posterior circumflex humeral arteries. The subscapular artery is the largest branch of axillary artery, runs down in the posterior axillary wall, giving dorsal branch, circumflex scapular artery. Anterior circumflex humeral artery is small branch arising near the surgical neck of the humerus and anastomose with the posterior circumflex humeral artery, forming arterial circle around the surgical neck of humerus. It gives ascending branch which supplies the head of the humerus. Posterior circumflex humeral artery. It is larger than the anterior circumflex humeral artery. Along with axillary nerve, passes through the quadrangular intermuscular space, crosses posterior aspect of surgical neck of humerus and anastomose with the anterior circumflex humeral artery. It supplies the deltoid muscle and the shoulder joint.